Hi guys, we're going to continue our house construction. We're doing it all by ourselves as a family, and we're going to do it all step by step. We've brought in some building materials, and we're going to move the position of the septic. It was going to be in the front, but we want it on the side of the house now. And there's a big tree in the way, so we've invited some friends to help us pull the big tree down. So yeah, we're done carrying all of the supplies from the trailer to the yard. So now my dad is going to climb up the tree and tie the rope to the top. So my dad has tied the rope to the top, and we're going to pull the tree, and my dad's going to finish cutting it. And here it comes! Yeah! We got the tree down! So, we've got the top half down. Now we've just got the bottom half left. So yeah, we're all carrying branches from the tree, and my dad's cutting them off for us. so that my mom can put them into the back of the truck so that we can take them wherever they go. So yeah, there was a lot of pine cones that came from the tree and a lot of twigs and stuff, so we've got a whole truck full right now, and there's still a lot of branches left to get rid of. Now we're going to cut the bottom part of the tree down. So my mom's already holding the rope, and me and my brother are going to help her after, and we're going to pull the second half down. So yeah, we cut it down, and I didn't get it recorded because my camera battery died right when it fell, so this is the tree. So Dennis is going to count how old the tree is. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. 59? Yes. But you skipped 29. So then the tree would be, if you skipped a number when you were counting and you counted 59, how old is the tree? 64. 59 plus 1. 60. Yeah. So this tree is? 60 years old. Or was. Was 60 years old? Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.